How to get rid of this stupid message when you're doing a full screen video. And I understand that it's a warning that needs to be on every website, and I found out, at least in Firefox, it's a setting or preference. Please understand your preferences will be ignored by websites that ignore them and do this manually. But on YouTube, this apparently is applied in your browser and will look different depending on your browser and version number, or what year of video you're looking at in some cases, which I found out today. Advanced preferences under about:config, so we're configuring our colon in Firefox, and you type in full-screen-api.warning, and you set both of these to 0. We're not going to look at this video here, and I'm going to hit play on it, but I'm going to mute the audio. And I'm going to max screen it and see if it brings up the message. It should fail to put up the message. The other bits and bobs can be removed apparently with some other utility, but apparently that does work. So again, if you want to get rid of... One moment, please. If you want to get rid of this message, YouTube is now full screen, which, by the way, if you're not aware of it, there's a organization or company called Full Screen. I'd really hate it if they acquired YouTube. I think that would be really, really bad. But if you want to get rid of this message, on Firefox, full-screen-api.warning, and you will find all of these. Put it in here, and you do it under about:config, and both of them are set to 0, and you won't have this problem. All I have to do is find a way to solve every other damn thing that YouTube does that's annoying, and we'll all be happy and great. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that. You'll all need it.